Hello everyone, welcome to our first video of bTech info channel, and here we will discuss about milk. So let's start the video without wasting time. So what is milk? So as we know that milk is defined as a whole, fresh, clean, lactal secretion obtained by milking of one or more healthy milk animals, excluding that obtained within 15 days before and 5 days after calving, and containing minimum prescribed percentage of milk, fat and SNF as per FSSAI. So now we will move ahead towards the composition of milk. Like milk has mostly water content, which is about 87.4%, and also it has some total solids about 12.6%. Okay, so total solids are now divided into the two parts, like fat or lipids and SNF. Fat is about 3.7% and solid fat is present about 8.9%. So the fat is fat size is about 50 to 100 nanometer diameter, and it has two types, like true fats and associated substances. In true fats, 98% of triglycerides and something monoglyceride, diglyceride and free fatty acids. In associated substances, we have phospholipid like lecithin, cephalin, sphingomyelin, cholesterol, carotene and vitamin A, D, E, K. We will further discuss in our further videos. In SNF, it is present is about 8.9%, lactose is about 4.8%, nitrogenous substance about 3.4%, means protein. Protein is also divided into casein and whey proteins. In casein, we have alpha, beta, gamma and kappa. We will discuss in further videos. And also the whey proteins like beta lactoglobulin, alpha lactoalbumin, proteases, peptones, bovine serum albumin, many more. So mineral content is about 0.7%, like PO4, phosphate, citrate, chlorides of sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium and traces of iron, cobalt and I. I is what? Yes, iodine. So other constituents may present in pigments, dissolved gases, vitamin C and B complex, enzymes, etc. So now we move ahead to the standards for different milks in India. Like this is very important, like very important. It is asked in various examinations. Like the buffalo milk has milk fat of about 6%. Like you have seen in the Amul Gold, it has written on the packet like 6% of milk fat and 9% of milk solid fat. In cow milk, again, it has 4% of milk fat and 8.5% of milk solid fat. In goat and sheep milk, you will get to see that 3% of fat and 9% of solid fat. In standardized milk, 4.5% of milk fat is present and 8.5% of milk solid fat. In recombined milk, we have 3%. In toned milk, we also have 3% of milk solid fat. Milk fat, and MSNF is 8.5. In double toned milk, we have 1.5% of milk fat and 9% of solid fat. Yeah, in skim milk, we have about 0% of milk fat, like we can say less than 0.5% of milk fat and 8.7% of SNF. So the composition of milk from different types of animals, like in human milk, we have 1.2% of protein, 0.5% of casein protein, whey protein is about 0.7%, fat is about 3.8%. Like in buffalo milk, we have 4% of protein and 7.4% of fat. You can learn this, it is very important and asked in various examinations. Yeah, in sheep milk, we have almost 5.8% of protein, total protein, which is highest percentage. Also sheep milk has the highest percentage of fat in among these animals. Like you should have to learn this. Yeah, buffalo milk has high content of fat and almost equal to the sheep milk. So this is very important, you must know this. Now we will further move ahead the food and nutritive value of milk. Like milk is almost an ideal food. Like you have seen seen people talking about, yeah, milk is a complete food. So yeah, it's almost correct. Like it has various high nutritive value, and it supply the bodybuilding proteins and bone forming minerals. Also, the energy value of milk is like in milk fat, it is 9.3 calorie per gram. It has an energy value of 9.3 calorie per gram. Protein and sugar has almost equal amount of energy value, like 4.1 calorie per gram. On average value of cow milk furnishes 75 calorie per 100 gram, and in buffalo milk 100 calorie per 100 gram. So the effect of processing. Now in further videos we will further study about the pasteurization, and homogenization, standardization, sterilization, UST processing. So we will study here about the effect of processing. Like we are doing the pasteurization of milk, like cooling the milk to 4 degrees Celsius, heating the milk. Yeah. So what is the effect? So for pasteurization, there is no effect on vitamin A, B, D, carotene, riboflavin, but 10% loss of thiamine and 20% loss of ascorbic acid may be expected. So again, if we are doing sterilization, there is some loss of thiamine like about 30%, and ascorbic acid loss is about 50%. We will study further this in our next videos. So again, we will discuss about the bacteriological standards of raw milk. So standard plate count per ml is, if standard plate count per ml is not more than 2 lakh, then it is very good quality milk. If 2 lakh to 10 lakh, then it is regarded as the good milk. If it has a SPC per ml about 10 lakh to 50 lakh, it is grading of fair. And if it has more than 50 lakh, so it is poor. So guys, this is all for today. If you have any questions, then please ask us in the comment section. Thank you everyone.